Hey, let me show you all touch controls of your Sony WF-C500. So let's start from the left earbud. As you can see, that's the left one. And on the left one, when you are playing music, you can actually volume up and volume down. So when you keep tapping like this, every single time you are going to increase volume of your music or any media. If you want to lower volume, you have to click and hold this button and take a look. Now it is actually decreasing the volume level. So on the left earbud, you can adjust the volume level of your media. On the right one, we've got more functions. First, when you single tap, when the music is playing, you will pause this song. If you want to play it, just do the same. So you can play and pause media by clicking on this button. If you want to skip songs, you can also do this. So when you double tap quickly, you can turn the next song. If you want to go for the previous song, you have to click 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going for the previous song. So one more time. To go for the next song, click 2 times, and to go for the previous, click 3 times. Also on this one, you can click and hold to activate the voice assistant. And that's all of the functions for the media. And there's also the functions for the calls. So on the right one, you can actually answer calls by clicking once when there's incoming call. And that's basically it. That's all the controls of the Sony WF-C500. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.